Hi all, it is a long time ago since I uploaded a video about the line shaft. I have the line shaft up and I have the extra bearing now in place. There is a motor, but that's not the final motor, I hope. It's a bit modern, but it's 220 volts, so for now it had do the job. It's a bit of a mess right now. I removed the lathe here because I bought another lathe with a lot of stuff with it. Some things I even don't know what it is. It came with this cabinet and all kinds of stuff. Keys, tool steels, and I think I gonna have the grinder on the other side, the shed, so I have more space on my workbench. I think I place it here where this old lister is. The lister is going outside and I want to build a bench here. And I have a line shaft there, where now these putties are. And the saw is still in place. I have the barns running, but I also bought another scroll saw. And this is the lathe I bought. It's Pratt and Whitney lathe. So I hope this is gonna do the job. And if you like this, follow me on YouTube, and I will upload some more videos in the future about how this is going and when it's running. And I hope you find this all interesting. Thank you. Bye.